With modern software development moving towards CI/CD, ensuring quality at every stage is more critical than ever. But how can teams integrate QA seamlessly into their CI/CD pipeline without slowing innovation? Before exploring QA implementation, let's break down the foundation of CI/CD. Continuous integration, a software development practice where developers frequently integrate code into a shared repository. Each integration triggers an automated build and testing process, allowing teams to detect and resolve issues early in the development cycle. Continuous delivery extends CI by ensuring all code changes are automatically prepared for release, making deployments smooth and predictable. Shifting to the core question, how can QA be implemented effectively in the CI/CD pipeline? To maintain quality without sacrificing speed, teams should follow these essential QA strategies. First, automate cross-browser testing. Use tools like Selenium to ensure consistent performance across browsers and versions. Second, choose the right CI/CD tools. Select tools that align with your platform, frameworks, and technologies for optimal compatibility. Third, foster developer-tester collaboration. Involve testers early in the development cycle to identify and fix issues proactively. Fourth, monitor load clashes. Provide developers with real-time test reports to detect and resolve performance bottlenecks. Fifth, document everything. Maintain comprehensive test documentation to enhance debugging, improve test quality, and ensure long-term maintainability. To implement QA successfully in a CI/CD pipeline, a structured approach is necessary. Here are the key best practices. Introduce incremental changes. Start with major features and gradually break them into smaller, testable units. Prioritize automation wisely. Focus on automating the most critical test stages instead of attempting full automation all at once. Enable parallel testing. Run cross-browser tests simultaneously to maximize test coverage and minimize execution time. Use automatic triggers. Set up triggers to deploy changes automatically once they pass all required tests. Implement smoke tests. Conduct post-deployment smoke tests to verify that core functionalities remain intact. Eliminate redundant tests, remove duplicate or unnecessary test cases to streamline automation and improve efficiency. Applying these best practices strengthens QA implementation and brings several advantages to the CI/CD pipeline. Faster validation. Automated pipelines quickly assess minor changes and integrate them seamlessly. Speed and efficiency. Automation accelerates regression tests and feedback loops, minimizing delays. Parallel testing, running tests concurrently across browsers enhance test coverage. Consistency and reliability. Automated QA ensures stable, dependable results with minimal anomalies. Agility and adaptability. Easily adjust frameworks, tools, and configurations as requirements evolve. Scalability. Automated reconfiguration enhances long-term scalability in CI/CD environments. Integrating QA into your CI/CD pipeline doesn't have to be a bottleneck. By implementing automation, fostering collaboration, and continuously refining test strategies, teams can maintain high-quality standards while delivering software faster and more efficiently. To dive deeper, check out the link to our detailed blog in the description box below. Until next time.